Welcome to Certify Me, the ultimate solution for managing academic credentials and student requests seamlessly. Let's try to understand how the admin portal works in EduTranscript. Start by logging into the admin portal with secure credentials. The first step is the credential type section. Here, you can configure document options for students such as transcripts, certificates, or migration documents. Set templates for domestic and international students and specify any supporting documents students must upload for verification. Next, we move to the Learner Management module. This is where you can organize student data efficiently. Create student batches based on programs or enrollment years, or upload data in bulk for large groups. Individual students can also be added manually, and they'll receive automated email notifications with account details and instructions for ordering documents. In the credential option, upload and manage student documents like transcripts and certificates. The system automatically processes them into a university-approved digital format. Once uploaded, these credentials are mapped directly to student requests, reducing manual work and ensuring seamless processing. The Active Orders section helps track ongoing requests. Orders are categorized as active, new requests awaiting action; in process, requests currently being handled; on hold, requests requiring clarification or approval. Finally, the Order History tab keeps a complete record of all processed requests, ensuring easy reference and transparency. Certify Me simplifies administration with automation, enhances efficiency, and improves the overall experience for both students and staff. Get started today with Certify Me,